I feel so grateful to have worked with so many accomplished founders. And to be honest, every single conversation that I have with them feels like a learning opportunity. I always have so much to take away. Early on, when I started, one such conversation with a founder gave me a lesson that I'll never forget, where she taught me the importance of saying no. And she said, knowing what you're not willing to do is sometimes more important than knowing what you're willing to do. See, when you're just starting, you tend to say yes to every opportunity that comes your way, and you tend to say yes to everyone who knocks on your door. Even if sometimes it's not in your comfort zone, or it's not something which is in your domain. Naturally, I was also doing something similar, where in the fear of creating a bad impression or losing the client, I would just say yes to a lot of the things that they wanted. So in one of our conversations, she said that you need to set some boundaries and you need to stop doing things that you don't want to do because it will drain you. So what actually ends up happening is that you end up scattered and nobody really knows what you stand for. When we started TikTok, we were offering probably 15 or 16 services and we were all over the place. I think having this boundary of being able to say no also helped me find the niche that we wanted to excel in. I knew I wanted to do B2B marketing, but to stick to LinkedIn as our primary platform and to specialize in personal branding. This thought came through my conversation with her. So it really helped me find that path. And it was not easy because I'm not somebody who's very comfortable saying no. But learning this and getting the confidence to actually be able to say no to certain things helped me do one thing but do it right. And funnily enough, it also became a part of how we make our marketing strategies, because when we ask our clients, who do you want to speak to, or who your target audience is, we've also started asking who is not your target audience. Now the strategy is made for both sides.